Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we will do how to do Kapalbhati on the chair. So first of all, sit on the chair and find yourself comfortable. And then take a long deep breath into your abdomen. Breathe out. A long deep breath in. Complete breathe out. Then breathe in and begin the pumping. So as you can see, as you exhale, you take your belly in and release. Exhale and release. Exhale and release. And that exhale you can do about 20 times. So let's do. Take another long deep breath in. Complete breathe out. Then breathe in and begin. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Release and relax. So this is Kapalbhati and you can repeat the same set. This is one set and you can repeat that set about 3 to up to 5 times. Depends on how much you have practiced. Make sure if you haven't practiced pranayama before, I will put a link up here. So go ahead, check that link, practice those pranayama before you practice this. And if you already have practiced pranayama for about 1 month, you can start doing Kapalbhati. This Kapalbhati is very powerful for keeping you away from about 72,000 diseases that relate to stomach problems. For example, digestive system, your liver, your stomach, all these things will be fixed when you're practicing this pranayama. Not only that, it will also be helpful for smokers. If you have been smoking or living in a bad environment and you want to clean your lungs, this pranayama perfect for practicing. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.